A recent study by the Public Policy Institute of California found that almost 64% of adults in the state are concerned about not being able to make rent or mortgage payments. Average rents rose 27.97% nationwide between 2020 and 2021. And in the first 3 months of 2022, rent growth is already exceeding that of 2021's growth. 6 California cities ranked in the top 10 for the highest national median rent, including San Francisco with a median rent of $2,910 for a one-bedroom apartment. San Jose, Los Angeles, San Diego, Santa Ana, and Oakland also made the top 10. Other parts of the country are also experiencing record rental increases, with the median price in Miami jumping 38.9% in 1 year. While many cities experienced rental slumps of around 10% in the beginning of the pandemic, prices have since skyrocketed to new highs, far outpacing wage gains. In a recent Public Policy Institute survey, a record 46% of Californians say that the high cost of housing have made them consider moving, most saying that they would look outside of the state. The state's pandemic-related rental assistance program, distributed through the Housing is Key, has so far received over 506,000 applications and has awarded roughly $2.3 billion in aid to over 223,000 households, with an average assistance award amount of $11,443. However, as of early February of this year, the USC Equity Institute and Policy Link have estimated that 740,000 households in California owe a combined total of more than $3.5 billion in back rent. For California residents who are worried about not being able to afford the cost of housing, renters can apply for assistance through Housing is Key for pandemic-related housing aid through March 31st. For help with your Housing is Key application and to find other renter resources that you may be able to utilize, you can call the California Rent Relief Center at 833-430-2122 from 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. Many of you are experiencing extreme difficulties getting through this phone line, so I do want to also encourage you to contact your California Assembly member immediately if you are having problems with this program. The link to locate your Assembly member is included in the video description.